Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add gradient text in CapCut PC. First you need to open the software, then head to the text tab. For instance, we'll just drag this text here for example. Then here type the text which you wanna type. I'll just type for the sake of this video gradient. Now choose the font whichever you like. For the sake of this video I'm gonna select this one. You can increase the font size. Also you can just play with the settings if you wanna play with them. It is up to you, whichever changes you wanna do from this window you can do that. Then here you need to choose the primary color of your gradient, so that would be yellow in my case. I can just select that from here. Okay, now we'll just go to animation. Now here on the animation you need to choose the exact animation which you like, so you can select this one, it is up to you. So let me go with this one here. So it is looking good, if you can see that. Once you add the animation, we just gonna duplicate this. So for that what you need to do, just hit right click on this clip. Here you'll see the option copy. Once you copy it, just move this header to the start of your clip and hit Ctrl+V in order to paste the copied clip. Here you can see that we have two clips now. This is the second clip and this is the first clip. We have choose the yellow color for the first clip and the color for second clips is going to be red in my case. So you just need to choose the secondary color of the gradient. It would be red in my case, so I'll just go with that. Next hit right click on the first clip. Then here you need to click on create compound clip. Similarly we're gonna do with the second clip. So for that hit right click on the second clip, click on create compound clip. Next we're gonna add the mask on the second clip. So for that select the second clip, then go to video. Here you will see the option mask, so click on that. Then here you need to click on add mask button and choose the split option here, and you can just rotate this slider to get the look which you want on your gradient. I can just rotate this like this a bit because I want this kind of effect on my gradient. Once you choose that, here you need to hold your left click and just drag it upwards in order to make the gradient effect. And yeah, here you can see it is looking good. So what we're gonna do now, we'll just select these clips just like this, hit right click again and click on create compound clip option. And yeah, you can see that we have successfully created the gradient effect in CapCut PC. Under it you can just add any background you like. So let's say what if we put this background here, how the gradient will look. Here it is. And yep, that's it. This is the way you can create gradient text in CapCut PC. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.